Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok missing features. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the TikTok application. And if you find any update, you need to update your TikTok application in Play Store. After that, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search for the TikTok and click on storage and cache, and you simply need to clear cache and clear storage. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into your TikTok account. Okay, and then you need to tap onto your profile in the right bottom corner and click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and privacy, and here you need to scroll and here you can see the option of free up space, or you simply need to click on free up space and you simply need to clear cache, and after that your missing features are shown to you. So this is a process by which you can fix TikTok missing features. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.